Welcome back to GetEducated.com. In this video, we will go through how best to navigate the Get Educated Online Degrees tab. At the top of the GetEducated.com homepage, you will see 4 different tabs which lead to 4 separate sections of the site: Online Degrees, Rankings, Resources, and Schools. Today we will focus on the Online Degrees page. When you hover your mouse over the Online Degrees tab, you'll see a drop-down menu of degrees ranging from liberal arts to education, computer science and IT, and more. If you know what type of degree you are searching for, you can click any of these to begin your search. For now, we'll click the Online Degrees tab itself, which takes us to the Accredited Online Degrees page. From the Accredited Online Degrees page, you can search for just about any degree you can think of. Since there are so many, over 30,000 in fact, focusing your search can help. But for now, we'll just scroll through a highly populated list of different degrees. At the bottom of the page, you can click the Next button here to move on to a similar page of degrees, or click the small gray arrow at the bottom right of the page, which will automatically take you back to the top of the page. To return to the home page, just click on the Get Educated owl on the toolbar at the top of the page. That's all for now. Join us next week to learn more about GetEducated.com.